What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Here it is, the long video. There's two shorts out there that are only a few minutes long of Brown and Tony riding around. This is both of those videos put together, mildly edited. Lots of stuff was cut out of those two videos that I left in this. So go ahead and enjoy the video if you're one of those people that like sitting down and watching these things all the way through. Really appreciate all you guys that do that. Most of these videos have a very short watch time, so I'm not really expecting much. But these videos also hang around forever on YouTube. So I've got a lot of videos that are super old that are still getting views and comments. This is probably gonna be one of them. So for all you guys that are watching this thing and you're watching all the way through, I really appreciate it, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. Rest of you guys that are clicking off or flipping on through, I really appreciate the fact that you clicked on the video and that you're actually spending time watching it. If there's something in here that you don't like, go ahead and throw it down in the comments. What can I do to these videos to get you guys to watch them more? That's a good question for everybody that's watching that's made it this far into the video. What can I do to get you to watch the video to the end? If we get these videos to the end, they get out to more and more people. A couple hundred people seeing them's kind of neat. A few thousand people seeing them's quite much better. So let's get these videos rolling to the masses. I really appreciate the few that support this channel. 80-90% of people aren't subscribed that are watching these videos. I appreciate you clicking on them. I hope that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on future content. Go ahead and flip through the channel so that you might see some old content. You never know what you're going to find. It's all off-road stuff. Actually, this channel's got a little bit of fish stuff and others mixed in, but mainly it's off-road racing builds and educational stuff having to do with the off-road bike world. I'm going to jump off here, let you guys finish watching this video. There's a whole bunch of minutes left. Lots and lots of cool stuff, some more crashes, lots of airtime, some neat stuff going on in the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day.
Or hit the freestyle jump.
Right.
So, right over to us.
that time.